Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Talk. Subscribe Gadget Talk now, press the bell icon for more video notifications whenever I upload a new video. Today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A8 Star. So this phone has been recently launched in India for a price of 34,990 and it has been an exclusive phone with Amazon. So right now it's available offline also, and we got one of the phone, and today I'm going to make an unboxing video on this. So let's go ahead and check the special features. So it comes with an infinity display, dual rear camera and Samsung Mini. This is an Indian phone. You can see that it's like Indian SIM card only. Let's go ahead and unbox this phone and check what we get inside the box. So let me quickly go ahead and open the box. Inside the box we get the SIM ejector tool. Let me go ahead and remove that. Then we have some quick start guide. I'll keep this aside. We get the A8 Star. This is the black color version of the A8 Star. Charger. This charger has an output of 9 volt 1.67 amperes or 5 volt 2 amperes. Here is a closer look. So we get this in-ear style headphones. I believe these are the older version of the headphones. We used to get this previously, like before S8. Before this they were providing the AKG headsets. And lastly we get the USB Type-C cable. Here is the closer look for the USB Type-C cable. So that's all inside the box. Let me keep the box aside and we'll check the overview of the phone. So this is the A8 Star, and if you can check, this has a nice glass design. Let me go ahead and peel off the plastic. Let me go ahead and give you the physical overview. So on the front we get the 24 megapixel selfie camera, earpiece, proximity sensor, and this is the 6 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, and it's an infinity display. Let me quickly go ahead and power on this device. So this is a metal glass design. So on the back we get the dual camera, flash, fingerprint sensor, Samsung branding. On the top we get the secondary mic. On the right hand side we get the power button, SIM slot. Left hand side we get the volume rockers and the Bixby key. And at the bottom we get headphone jack, USB Type-C port and speakers with primary mic. So this phone comes with a 6 inches Full HD Plus display. Let me quickly go ahead and complete the setup process. So this is the phone's home screen. So this phone comes with an Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, and it also comes with Samsung Experience version 9.0. Out of 64 GB, 14.4 GB is used memory. So this is the storage capacity of this phone. It comes with 64 GB of internal storage, and yes, you can expand this with the memory card. Out of 6 GB, 2 GB of RAM is used for system and apps, and the available space is 3.6 GB. So here is a closer look of the RAM status. So let me go ahead and quickly show you the SIM slot. So this phone comes with a hybrid SIM slot. One is the nano SIM and the second is the hybrid SIM slot. Here is the closer look. And talking about the battery size, this phone comes with a 3700 mAh battery. It's time for us to check the fingerprint sensor. So the fingerprint sensor is quite fast, but the position of the fingerprint sensor is too high, so that is the reason why a normal person cannot reach the fingerprint sensor. Now let's go ahead and check the face unlock feature. So this phone comes with a dual camera setup, and Samsung is really talking about this dual camera. So one is the 16 megapixel camera, that's the secondary sensor. It comes with f1.7 aperture, and the primary sensor is the 24 megapixel. This also comes with an f1.7 aperture. This is the 24 megapixel front camera, and this comes with an f2.0 aperture. So let's go ahead and quickly test this camera. And I'll also talk about the features, like we get the live focus mode, the beauty mode, the pro mode, and all these different modes. So let me go ahead and quickly take the snap. So you can check the shutter speed, it's very fast. And also about the front camera. You can check the photos. So this is the unboxing video for the A8 Star, and if you like the video, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more future notifications. This video is sponsored by Khurana Sales. If you live in Pune and if you are looking for a new phone, number is in the description.